So what do you do when your smartphone camera just doesn't cut it these days when it comes to video and photography? Let's find out. Smartphone cameras are pretty good these days when it comes to taking pictures and videos. But what do you want to do when you want to step up your video and photography game? Now, I don't want to spend anything too expensive, so I got myself a Canon M100 mirrorless camera. Comes at £329. It has an APS-C 24 megapixel sensor, which is pretty much the same as the sensors you get in the more expensive cameras you get from Canon. It does come with a 3-inch flip-up screen, which is also a touchscreen, and basically you operate everything via this touchscreen. The Canon M100 is a small and pocketable mirrorless interchangeable lens camera. It comes with an image stabilised 15 to 45mm kit lens, which should be adequate for most situations for novices who are just starting out in photography or videography. The controls on this camera are limited to a few buttons and scroll dials around the shutter button. Most of the controls and functions for this camera are driven by the 3-inch touchscreen, where you can access all the various preset shooting modes and also all the settings for full manual control over the shutter, ISO and aperture. There is also a quick menu function that gives you quick access to all the other settings like autofocus mode, white balance, image profiles and so on. One of the things that many people do with these cameras is perhaps use them for vlogging. So what I'll do is let's try it out and see what it looks like. So this is the video quality that you get with the Canon M100. I'm checking on the flip-up screen, and the autofocus on this camera is supposed to be pretty good, and I can see it's tracking my face fairly well. So yes, this is the image quality you can expect from this camera. What I'll do is I'll take this camera outside and we'll do a few tests just to give you an idea what sort of images you can expect from this camera. Just a quick disclaimer, I'm not a professional photographer or videographer, but I'll try and do the best I can to give you a true representation of what this camera can achieve in the hands of a complete novice and beginner like myself. So without further ado, let's get to it. Now the lens itself is image stabilized, so it should provide pretty good image quality. Looking at the display, it looks pretty good to me. I'm walking through a quite muddy lane, so you have to forgive me if I keep taking my eyes off the camera because it's very slippery. It is very, very slippery. At least it's secluded. I don't look too strange doing this vlog. So it's a nice day for a walk though. Oh. I'm quite backlit, but I think it's doing a pretty good job of keeping me exposed correctly and in focus. Right, I think that's enough messing around. I think it's time to head back home. So I'll see you in a bit. So that was just a sample of what you can expect from the Canon M100 in terms of picture and video quality. If you're looking to upgrade your smartphone photography and videography, then I would seriously consider getting one of these cameras. It's small and light enough to fit inside your pocket, so you can take it everywhere with you. Though still not 100% as convenient as a phone, but it's not far off, and the image quality that you get from this camera should be well above the image quality you can expect from your average smartphone. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.